Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome to my channel where, I kind of try to learn planting stuff and I bring you along so that we can hang out. If you're interested in learning about plants, seeing plants, stuff like that, then hit the subscribe button and like the video if you like the video. Alrighty, so today I gave my Cebu Blue a haircut. So I cut it up to the rim of the pot. Hold on, I'll go get it so you can see. Okay, so this is what she looks like now. She's very long, trailing. I cut her back every couple of months because she ends up reaching the floor and then like starts growing along the floor and I end up stepping on it, and it's just easier to cut her, so I do. And she doesn't mind it, she likes it. She always pushes off more growth at the top, keeping her nice and bushy. So I know that this plant is not easy to come by everywhere. So I'm like, all right, I'm going to throw it on Facebook Marketplace for $20 and then $10 for shipping, because that's what it is. $10 for shipping. 20 bucks. You know, it's a tank of gas, but it lets me share all the Cebu Blue. So there are 9 separate strands here. I just rubber band them together, and I'm going to show you what I do to send these things out. So this should make a very nice pot. I mean, the person who bought it can cut it, do whatever it is she wants with it. It's her plant now. So what I do is I rubber band all of the ends together, all of the cut ends. I get a wet napkin. I wet it, I fold it up, and then I'm going to cover the end. Okay, this just keeps it a little more, it gives it some moisture, and yeah, I don't let this be sopping wet because then you can rot out the little stem area. But with all of this, I mean, worst case scenario, that does happen. She has plenty more to make a plant with. So I do that. I stick that under the little rubber band so it stays. I get a plastic bag. I put the plants in the bag. Try to be gentle, although pothos, Cebu Blue pothos, and pothos in general are so hardy. You don't have to be super gentle. I blow air into it. This also helps, just like the plant not get banged around too much, provides a little bit of humidity, and yeah, it helps to make sure the plant gets there alive. I have Lysol wipes. I'm going to wipe the edge down so that no germs are sent to the person who bought the plant, but I'm just showing you really quick. And then I get a manila envelope. I stuff it in there. I also have fluff, and this manila envelope is padded already to help with heat, insulation, and you know, just overall shock prevention for the plant. Just provide it a cushier ride to its new owners. So I'm just hopping on here real quick just to show you what it is that I do when I sell plants, how much of a plant I sell, and what price I sell it for. You know, some people sell plants for a lot of money, and you know, they only give you a little bit of a plant, and you know, whatever, do you. I'm not judging you. I'm just not buying from you. But and I have in the past, and you know, you get like a $10 cutting that's a couple nodes, and it shows up and it's smushed, rotted, frozen, you know, and then you know, a lot of sellers will say stuff like, oh, well, you know, it's expected to, you know, not all the cuttings to make it. Well, then why are you selling me something if it's not guaranteed to make it to me? Because, you know, if you were at Walmart, Target, wherever it is you shop, ordered something, got it online, and it was rotted, dead, whatever it was, you'd be pissed. Doesn't matter how much you paid for it. And for plants, people are paying a lot of money for it. So if you can't guarantee that it gets to you okay, don't sell it. That's all. Just don't sell it. As simple as that. You know, I know there are some sellers who will refund you and do you right if the plant does show up and it's dead, but there are a whole bunch that don't. And yeah, so just giving you a quick what I sell if I'm going to sell. And I don't like, my plant collection isn't to sell. It's, you know, it's to share. Like, I cut up the pothos because I was given it a trim. I have a bunch of pothos now. Do I need another pothos? Super blue pothos? No. Do I have room for one, really? No. So I'm going to share. Send it out, fill up my gas tank, and be good. You know what I'm saying? So just my plant price opinion, what I do when I am going to sell plants. And yeah, so until next time, guys, relax, plant, peace.